Hello everyone, this is Kang and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so before anything else, I would like to thank Sades for giving us this Sades Meteor RGB cloth gaming mousepad during GameCon. I dropped by their booth. They offer gaming mice, keyboards, chairs, headsets, and I'm still not sure what else they can offer, but for now, we'll be unboxing this RGB mousepad from Sades. Okay, let's do it right now. Okay, I think there's nothing else inside. For sure. Anyway, we have here the Sades logo. I'm not sure if it's a wolf, but it looks like a wolf. Correct me if I'm wrong. It is a wolf with the crown logo. I mean, with a crown on it. A wolf with a crown. Anyway, we have here the mouse pad. Since it is RGB, it comes with a cable. Well, this is the mouse pad, and I'll try to show it to you with lights on. Hold on. There you go. There you go. This Sades Meteor mouse pad. Well, that's my unboxing of this Sades Meteor mousepad. I hope you guys enjoyed this again. This is Kang. See you next time and bye!